Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to find and charge the battery on your Honda Nighthawk or Honda Rebel CB250. The bike we're using today is a 2007 Nighthawk. In a future video we'll be showing you how to fix up the seat, but today let's just get the battery charged. So let's get to it. Where's the battery? You'll need to move around to the left side of the bike, back near the rear left turn signal, and there's another port for your key. Use the same key that you use in the ignition and give it a turn. It may be sticky or rusty if you haven't used it in a while. There's a small clip that drops down when you turn that key that you can use to hang your bike helmet off of. You can see that clip drops up and down as you move the key. But there's also a small lever next to that helmet clip. You may need to move around to the back of your bike. So give it a good tug, and as that lever drops down, it releases the seat lock. While you're using one hand on the lever, use your other hand to grab the seat and pull back towards the back of the bike. So you can see the innards of your bike. I've got a saddlebag here that I will do a future clip. You've also got a small storage compartment that you can keep a tool set or your insurance papers. But still, hey, where's the freaking battery? You'll need to move around to the right-hand side of your bike, right above the Nighthawk logo, and gently tug to release a plastic and rubber clip. There are two clips. Once the top one is released, work your hands down a little lower and gently pull to remove the second clip. To charge your battery, you're going to need to remove the red plastic cap from the terminal. Now that you've got the battery terminals exposed, you can charge it. I use this inexpensive little trickle charger. It's about $12. I'll put a link for it below. Attach the black to the negative and the red to the positive. Plug it into your power strip. If only the green LED turns on, power is not flowing through the charger, so something didn't quite connect right. So double check your terminal connections. And here we're showing the red LED light turns on, indicating power is flowing through the charger. So we cooking. And there you go. You're charging your Honda Nighthawk CB250. This trickle charger is relatively slow. You'll need to leave it plugged in overnight and come back the next day and see how she runs. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for our next update on the Honda Nighthawk 250.